Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are talking about the most popular and gorgeous social media influencer Kiran Maurya. So today I did some Instagram reels and I did this video with 4K 60 fps in vertical frame and I covering all the angle of Kiran Maurya in this video. So Kiran Maurya has gradually gained attention among special social media viewers for their engaging style, expressive acting, and entertaining presentations. In the world of short form digital entertainment, creators must capture the audience attention within few seconds, and Kiran Maurya managed to do this quite effectively. His reels reflect the fast-paced nature of the modern social media content, where creativity, confidence, and readability play a crucial role in keeping viewers engaged. Through his energetic on-screen presence and natural performance style. He creates videos that feel lovely, entertaining, and easy to watch. One of the most noticeable qualities of Kiran Maurya reels is his expressive performance in short videos. Facial expressions and body language become very important, and he uses them effectively to communicate emotions and humor. His reactions, gesture, and timing often help deliver the message of the reel quickly, which is essential in short form content. This ability to convey emotions and humor in just a few seconds allow his reels to feel dynamic and entertaining. Whether the reel is based on comedy, trending dialogue, or a relatable situation, his expressions help make the video more engaging for the viewer. Another strong aspect of his reels connect is the way he keep up with the current trend on platform like Instagram. Social media trends change rapidly, and creators who adapt quickly often gain more attention. Kiran Maurya frequently uses trending music, viral audio clips, and popular reel format that already attract audience interested. By combining these trending elements with his own performance style, he is able to produce content that feels fresh and relevant. This awareness of a trend shows that he understands how modern social media platforms work and how creator can reach a wider audience through engaging content. The readability of his reels is another reason why viewers may enjoy his videos. Many of his reels appear to reflect everyday situations, emotion, or humorous scenarios that audience can easily understand. This readability play a significant role in social media success, as viewers often prefer content that reminds them of the feel real life moment or common experience. By representing these situations with expressive acting and playful storytelling, Kiran Maurya create reels that feel natural rather than overall scripted. This simple yet effective approach helps his videos connect with viewers more easily. In addition to performance, the reel readability, the visuals representations of his reels also contribute to their appeal, and the farming camera positioning and lighting generally create a clear and watchable visual style. Even So reels are short and often produced quickly. Maintaining a clean and visually appealing look is important for keeping viewer engaged. His video managed to maintain this clarity, allowing audience to focus more on the performance and message of the reel. The combination of simple visual and expressive acting create a balanced style that work well short form entertainment. Another interesting element of Kiran Moria reels is the confidence he display in front of the camera. Confidence is an important quality for social media creator, especially when producing content that relies heavily on personality and expressions. His comfortable presence on camera gives his reel a natural flow and make the performance feel more authentic. This confidence helps the content appear spontaneous and lovely, which is often appreciated by audience who genuinely enjoy an energetic creator. Furthermore, the editing style of many of his reels is simple yet effective. Instead of relying heavily on complex visual effects, the focus usually remains on performance and timing. Quick cut, smooth transitions, and the use of trending audio clip help keep the videos dynamic without distracting from the main idea. This editing approach aligns well with the style of short form content where clarity and quick engagement are more important than complicated visual production. Kiran Moria Reels has also reflect the larger trend of digital creator building their identity through shorts. Video platforms like Instagram have transformed the way audience consume entertainment, shifting attention toward quick, creative, and personality-driven content. In this environment, creators who can combine expressive performance with readable storytelling often stand out. Kiran Moria appears to be developing his own style within this space, using humor, expression, and trending audio to create reels that feel both entertainment and accessible. Overall, the reel created by Kiran Moria represent the modern style of short-form social media entertainment. Through expressive acting, confident screen presence, and awareness of trending content format, he creates videos that are engaging and enjoyable for viewers who regularly watch reels. His ability to combine humor, readability, and energetic performance make his content appealing to a wide audience. As social media platforms continue to grow and evolve, creators like Kiran Moria who focus on creativity, personality, and audience connection have a potential to build an even stronger presence in the digital entertainment space. And timing, quick cut, smooth transitions, and the use of trending audio clip help keep the videos dynamic without distracting from the main idea. This editing approach aligns well with the style of short form content where clarity and quick engagement are more important than complicated visual production. So guys, if you are enjoying this video, so please like the video and subscribe my channel.